That is a very quick single taken. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. Gone straight into the hands of the fielder. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. They're packed one side, making the batsmen go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. They're calling for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line of balls to his feet. Missed that completely. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
Not just for a single.
No ball called. Slips in place.
That 6 picked up the length very early.
Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. Strokes it into the gap for a single. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Oh, shot, but only a single. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls. In
a six. It's a magnificent strike.
Two-wheelers outside the inner circle.
Edged and taken. Has to walk back to the pavilion.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to.
Straight up in the air, and that's a six. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next?
Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Plays and misses. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a six.
Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy.
They have run the first one quick. That is excellent running between the wickets.
Informed fast bowler into the deck now. Expect some serious chin music.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
Deep point in place. Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery. He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series.
Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets.
That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. They would definitely have a score in their mind.
That's into the gap. Should look for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
Change in bowling here. Spinner into the attack now.
and getting ready to face his first ball.
And he helps himself to a 6. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going.
Golding, what a good delivery that is.
He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide. There is a fielder at cover.
That is a very quick signal taken.
He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series.
Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands.
It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. Not just it for a single.
Last ball of the innings coming up.
Oh, that must have really hurt.
The first innings comes to a close. The target is set and the openers rush to the pavilion to get padded up for the game.